Turn me up, Cruz. Bombing on any of them niggas that want to smoke. Nigga, this a big boy phantom, this ain't a ghost. Had to take the weight from them niggas and then they toast. They ain't had no sympathy for me when I was broke. Amen, amen. Lord forgive me for all my sins. Took so many risks just to get a Benz. Pray for my niggas, all my friends. In the trenches, one with killers, we been getting it in. 32 shots in my new Glock. Niggas wanna hit me like I'm Tupac. Bad bitch for me in my Gucci tube socks. Remember when I spent my re-up on a ooh pop pop? Your favorite rapper, a mumble rapper. Walk up in this bitch, a bunch of killers and humble trappers. I can go to Hollywood to core in this jungle action. When niggas that'll smoke, you go and murder your brother at. Whoa, big dog, nigga, I'm a big dog. Streets say they need that dope, they having withdrawals. I put on my yellow diamonds when I'm pissed off. I'm so rich that I can't even fuck a bitch raw. Whoa, do you know the feeling? Being agitated cause you got a can of million. All this fucking money, I ain't got no time for chillin'. We took risks to live like this, do all that killing and drug dealing. You my nigga, I fuck with you, we gon' thug it out. Say it's beef, we going to war, nigga, let's slug it out. Big bad whoop, we at your door, blood in your fucking house. I heard your daddy was a rat, so you a fucking mouse, nigga. Pouring champagne cause all my niggas dead. If they ain't in the graveyard, then they in the feds. I give a fuck if that crown heavy, put it on my head. Take it to the jeweler, bust it down before I wear it. Woo. Cause I'm a king just like Martin Luther. I ain't a hater, fuck my bitch, nigga, I salute ya. I be flying jet and chopper like that shit was Uber. We finally made it out them trenches, nigga, hallelujah. Whoa, ballin' like a hot boy. Diamond dancing on me more than JB Block, boy. I'm a boss, I don't wanna call the shots, boy. You a thotty, I won't cuff you like a cop, boy. No way, ooh, I just cashed out. How the fuck you turn a bando to a glass house? How the fuck you get it to the front bail out? Got your favorite Instagram bitch with her ass out, hey. Make her touch her toes, make her touch her toes. Run up like a million off a couple shows. Trapping at the wall, dog, we just fucking hoes. In the love of that Chanel, they gon' sell they souls. Rolling through the gutter, I ain't never bold. You would think this Wheel of Fortune, how we selling hoes. Plug just caught, he got another load. He know I'ma get him sold. Lean up that bird.
Guys, don't look over. Got a sniper team on one of those boats. Yeah, man. One of them boats. Take a shot. When I say take a shot, now take out right away. We got the captain on the bridge. Taking the shot.
Flip a shot.
That'd be fucked up. Shoot the wheel off the boat. You stay there like this.
Santa Claus got 3 hoes out that Molly ripping panties off. Flying private to Dubai, we up them Zanny bars. Oh, scary, I was turning cameras off, please.
What's up, Dad-Mo? How you doing?
What's your name?
J Danger Torch. What's up? How you doing? Yeah, man. How you doing?
Very good.
Yeah?
This is unbelievable.
That's crazy. My first one out here.
Never forget the first one, but
Nah.
sure something.
Definitely pop my cherry.
Yeah.
I've been on the road, I'm gone. Private jet for me and them brosy. Extra Renzo, pick up clothes. I made a fence to hit my hoes up. Down on what I'm on one. It ain't bad right now, it's the long run. I've been acting way too humble. Graduated the streets with hunters. I cashed out with all blue hunters. I see through that cap shit, cut it out. Way too young and turn to settle down. I build niggas up, they let me down. World know I take care of everybody. They can't keep a tab on my whereabouts. Acting like it's smoke, we gon' air 'em out. Turn a nigga crib to a scary house. Roll me up one, tell my chauffeur, pull my car up to the driveway. Wake her up, tell her ride ready. Gotta get my day going. The majority shit I can't show 'em, but I'm moving like I got 8 on. Tryna get my hands in everything. I like money on cherish fame. I ain't tryna see her home on D's house for the next few days. She like me cause I'm G by her Givenchy. Every time you look up, I be doing something else, yeah that's me. I don't do too much, that's P. These hoes so embarrassing. I ain't tryna see her home on D's house for the next few days. She like me cause I'm G by her Givenchy. Every time you look up, I be doing something else, yeah that's me. I don't do too much, that's P. These hoes so embarrassed. 1 life, 2 kids, 3 houses, 4 games, 500 for a show, 6 rings, MJ. Some days niggas weak, 8 cars on drive. 9 times out of 10, I'ma be the one to win. Running up a lot of shit, gotta get them for the summer in. They play fake crazy, on bar that. You just got turned, don't start that. I just gotta call it how I call it. All of us still, we don't wanna talk. Key to the streets, unlocked. So she fuck good, but she tossy. Everybody lit when we pop out. March think we selling narcotics. Staff meetings talking about the artist. Business savvy like I went to college. Black card, gold yard, wallet. Money clean, IRS, then audit me. I still feel like I ain't where I ought to be. Every day I'm working, getting closer. I've been putting 10 on my shoulders. Boss bitch, shit grown up. I ain't tryna see her on my detox for the next few days. She like me, cause I'm G by her, Givenchy. Every time you look up, I be doing something else. Yeah, that's me. I don't do too much, that's P. These hoes so embarrassed. I ain't tryna see her on my detox for the next few days. She like me, cause I'm G by her, Givenchy. Every time you look up, I be doing something else. Yeah, that's me. I don't do too much, that's P. These hoes so embarrassing.
What is this nigga doing? You'll be alright.
If she told once, she'll do it twice. Can't make no mistakes, but she got me out. Killing her made me look like a snake. Well, if I'm a snake and you a rat, bitch, you gon' get 8. Rules to this shit that you can't break, or that's the price you pay. Toss the body clean out the truck, gun go in the lake. Drive to the woods, burn the clothes, ain't no DNA. Still got her phone, text her mama like I know it's late. But I'm gon' be gone for a week, I'm headed to the 8. Now when she don't hear from her, she ain't gon' think nothing. Her daughter loves street niggas, she know she out here fucking. And we don't speak on the dead, so we gon' switch the subject. It's time to run 100 miles per hour to this money, nigga. Let's get it, now I'm focused. I just got off the joint, a body ain't shit, they raise savages on joint. I tossed my last strap, I gotta get another toy. Wipe the phone down, toss it, man, stop playing, I'm on point. I pull up on my people who I know be having straps. He walk up, he like, damn nigga, when you get back? I heard they gave you life, and girl, he turned to a rat. I'm like, yeah, bro, but you know can't shit, stop God's plan. But look, do you still got them blicks? He like, shit, it's 2 on my hip, another 4 in the whip. I got pistols and sticks, bullets and extra clips, just say what you need. I'ma go get that shit out the crib, I'm like something small, so you can't see it when you wear the pistol. And something that can't shoot. He like, bro, you hear this nigga? Why you want a gun that can't shoot? You tryna scare a nigga? Know you for a minute, bro, you ain't the type to spare a nigga. I'm like, bro, you want the bread or not? And he nodded. He tossed 2 guns, he said that run right there a problem. And it's compact, it's gonna go right in your pocket, or put it on your hip and niggas ain't gonna know you got it. But the other one, a fire and pen, ain't even in it. If niggas get up on you when you up that, you finished. It ain't gon' shoot, even if you got bullets in it. That shit on the house, walk them home, handle your business. Why I get a gun that don't shoot? I know y'all wanna know. Learned a lot in prison, main thing, watch you call your bro. Give him the strap, count the check, see if he up the pole. I got it as a trust test, but nigga moving on. Before I got locked up, I had a crib. My mama came through for me, she kept up on the beers. I'm comfortable there, these niggas don't know where I live. Gotta get some rest, freshen up, it's time to take it in. Next day, I'm watching the news, channel 7. Waiting on action, I'm trying to see who went to heaven. They talking about old girl who got hit in her head. But what the fuck they mean wounded? Nigga, she dead. The next part they said, I got sicker as I listened. This shit wicked, they just said this bitch in critical condition. She still got her life, my nigga, I gotta end it. I'm racing to the spittle, man, this bitch a known witness. Replaying the event in my head, how she alive? But real shit, if it ain't your time, it ain't your time. I know niggas that got shot like 20 times and survived. Then niggas that caught one leg shot and end up dying. I get to the spittle, fake tears like I'm hurting. I hit the front desk like, where's Sheila? I'm her brother. The nurse like, she up the hall, you just missed your mother. And since you her brother, you don't have to wait with the others. I go up the hall, she talking to a detective. My whole heart drop, I get the clutching on my ratchet. The cop turn around like, sir, give us a second. It's weird though, cause she looking at me and ain't panic. I walk in, trigger finger start itching instantly. Hope this cop ready for the shootout of the century. The doctor walk in, I ain't tripping, I guess I'm killing 3. Told her she got brain damage, she lost all memory.
Tears falling down my bitch face. Now she forever trying to show me how that shit tastes. Ain't really been dropping, I've been trying to get my shit straight. Had to sell my prices, 20 mil for every mixtape. Partying every night, don't do it for me, I'm trying to get cake. Level up, filling hundreds up, all in my big safe. I said enough, I say it again, I'm trying to wet him up. Thinking with his dick, I'm getting a pretty bitch to set him up. It's better them than better us, it's never them, forever us. And every M I ever touched, I multiplied it, doubled up. I know life man, should I divide to see my brother up? Some got in they feelings deep inside, but never bring it up. And all that did was fuck shit up. I told niggas that these hoes ain't got no love for us. I told niggas that these rappers don't really fuck with us. The wave is all they want from us, like it's made for only one of us. I'm straight on all that other stuff for real. I know hanging deep off in the trench will get me killed, but I get a rush from it, love the way it feel. Hang around the vultures knowing this rich cost a meal. Hold up, let me take the wheel. Said pay the cost to be the boss, so I expect to pay the bill. Should I expect to do some favors, but I expect to keep it real. And I'm expecting them to hate me where I shine and shit for real. But I ain't respecting niggas falling by no money or no girls. I'm giving bad bitches faces. I got money out this world and I been shining like a star. On top of that, they know I'm third. My niggas locked behind them bars. On top of that, I'm paying bills and paying the pills for all my niggas that got life inside themselves. They know I will. I'm breaking bread with Billy boys. They know my heart is pure. You reach and I start drawing, cause I know the art of war. I know that they ain't on the shit we on, and that's for sure. I'm knowing that for sure. You ain't talking about no money when you talking. I'm like, what you talking for? When them new business had dropped me in Chino had bought 2 more. Got the whole city popping from Philly to Baltimore. I really should talk some more motivation for all of y'all. Label calling on the line and I know what they calling for. They calling about them M's, about them losses, them wins. I can show you how to make a boss out your mans. Turn your car to a Benz, but it'll cost you your friends. They be waiting on your downfall. If you fall, that's the end. But if you win, they come around more and all make amends. I seen it. Cross my heart, hope they die. Fuck niggas, I mean it. 100 shooters, I survive. Beat the streets, I'm a genius.
Yo, here in this graveyard shit. Real kings, nigga. You already know how we coming, yeah,
Got it for a girl of mine.
Sis right here to make my friend help.
Living life on the edge. Shorty said I'm living like a price on my head. Got the pipe by the bed. I'm trying to get a nigga right from what he dead. I'm trying to take a nigga life from what he said. Too many nights from seeing red. Too many nights from seeing red.
Every day out here for us. We're struggling. Homeless. Need money. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. That's how we living.
I'm fucking hungry. Feed me, I'm a fucking animal. Feed me.
Help us. We need help. Nobody cares. This how it is in Kensington. You see how it is. This is what we living in. Look at the trash. Take a picture of that too. There's rats running around. Like, it's crazy.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.